Welcome to Homeschool.com's product reviews. I'm Jamie, and today I have two special friends joining me to review the MEL Chemistry subscription box kits. All right, and today we have a project that we're going to do. It's called tin dendrite that we're going to make, and we're excited about this. So, boys, do you want to check it out? Let's look and see what's in this box. Want me to hold that? That's instructions. All right, so there's a tray. And glasses, we always need safety glasses, don't we? It's very important. All right, I think that's all we needed from this box, but there's a lot of other really good stuff in here. Lots of good chemistry equipment. But here is where we get to do the fun stuff for today. So what's in here, guys?
Science stuff, chemistry, chemicals.
Yes, it's the chemicals, the stuff to make our tin dendrite. So let's go ahead. I think we need the Petri dish first. And I've actually gone to the MEL Science website and I've printed out larger versions of the instructions that come in the box. See, these are kind of small, so not so good for old people. But we printed out a larger version, and so we're going to use that. And we need gloves. Let's put those on. You guys look so professional in your glasses.
This is a great way to have kids as young as 9 understand the practical science of chemistry. Kits like this, Tin Dendrite by MEL Science, can help give kids a head start in science topics. Can also grant homeschool students a first-class educational experience. This kit includes just about everything you need, and the instructions are illustrated and very easy to follow. With the subscription, you receive new experiments each month for only $34.99. I really enjoyed seeing the love of science that this subscription box encourages. Oftentimes, science can be perceived as difficult, but using this practical, hands-on approach can remove that fear and encourage a love of science.
Thanks for watching this product review. If you're new to our channel, we'd love for you to subscribe. Just click the red box below. And if you've enjoyed this product review and would like to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up to let us know. And boys,
thanks to our sponsor, MEL Science.
thank you.